Hey there! Today we're tackling an interesting problem involving a pl.DataFrame with a column of lists in a regular Python list called weights. The goal is to efficiently multiply the values in the column with the corresponding values in the weights list. The expected output is to have a new column with the multiplied results. Quite the math challenge, right? Now, let's dive into the solution. The first step is to define a custom data type using pl array float 2. Next, we create a new data frame by adding columns for the weights and the multiplied values. This is achieved by using pl.lit_weights type to create the weights column and performing the multiplication operation between the raw column and the wgt column. This results in a data frame with the desired output structure. Continuing with the solution, we now have a data frame with the original columns along with the weights and the newly calculated values. By casting the raw column to the custom data type and then multiplying it with the wgt column, we obtain the final data frame with the multiplied values as per the specified requirements. The end result is a data frame that showcases the mathematical operation carried out on the columns efficiently. In summary, we've successfully addressed the initial problem by creating a custom data type, adding columns for weights and multiplied values, and performing the necessary calculations to achieve the desired output. I hope you found the solution helpful, and remember, math can be fun when Polars is around. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.